Okay, what is an hybrid structure? When a simple bottom frame is introduced with internal hinges, this type of a structure is called as hybrid structure. Okay, now let us solve problems for this, or we are dealing with static indeterminacy. Now what is the equation for a portal frame? That is degree of indeterminacy is equals to 3m plus r minus 3j minus n. Okay, where n is given by m dash minus 1. So first we will calculate what are m, r and j. m 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So number of members are 10. Next reactions 3, 3, 3 and 3. So you are having totally 12 number of reactions. Joints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 number of joints. Now what is this m dash? Okay, m dash. Now here we are having two internal hinges. So this n is for one internal hinge. Okay, this n calculation is for 1. Since there are 2, we have to calculate 2 times. Now here speaking about this internal hinge. Okay, first internal hinge. How many members are attached to this internal hinge? 2. So here m dash is 2 minus 1, that is 1. This is for the left side internal hinge. Now what about the right side? Again you have m dash minus 1 here. Now here how many members are joining for this internal hinge? 2. That's why this is 2 minus 1, that is 1. In total the equation will be how much? Degree of indeterminacy is equals to 3m plus r minus 3j minus n. Now m is 10, reactions are 12, minus 3 times j minus n. Now n of the left and n of the right. N of the left and n of the right. So it is 1 plus 1. So in total you will get degree of freedom as how much? You will get it as 10. That is degree of indeterminacy is equal to 10. Okay. For clearer, we will solve one more problem. Okay, number of members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you are having 10 number of 10, 11 and 12. So you are having 12 members. Reactions. Here 3, 3, 3 and 3. Total 12 number of reactions. Next joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are having 11 joints. Next m dash. Now for this internal hinge, how many members are joining? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 members join at the internal hinge. 4 minus 1, that is 3. N is equals to 3. Now if you substitute in the equation, degree of indeterminacy is equals to 3m plus r minus 3j minus n. So what you will get? 3, m is 12, r is 12 minus 3j minus n. So you will get answer as degree of indeterminacy is 12 on this problem. Next, m r j n. N is m dash minus 1. So members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you are having members as 20. Next, reactions. Here 3 reactions, here 1 and here 3. So you will get in total 7 joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Next, here m dash. M dash means what? At the internal hinge, how many members are joining? For this internal hinge, how many members are joining? 3. So this is 3 minus 1. So we'll get n is equals to 2. Now degree of indeterminacy is how much? 3m plus r minus 3j minus n. So this is 3 into 20 plus 7 minus 3 into 15 minus 2. Okay. So you will get the answer as you will get it as 20. Okay. So the degree of indeterminacy is 20. So we know at the end of the 2 sessions we came to know for a plane frame, degree of indeterminacy is calculated as how? 3m plus r minus 3j minus n, and here n is equals to what? M dash minus 1. What is this n? N is nothing but the internal hinge, and m dash is for that internal hinge how many members are joining. Next, for truss, for a plain truss, degree of indeterminacy is how much? M plus r minus 2j. Degree of indeterminacy is calculated by m plus r minus 2j. Okay. So in the next class we will be learning about degree of freedom. Okay. Thank you.